Dreaming of that perfect home? Let's make sure it's within your budget. First things first, calculate your monthly income. Got it? Great. Now let's talk expenses. List all your monthly bills and subtract them from your income. What's left is your disposable income. Experts recommend spending no more than 30% of your monthly income on housing. So, if you earn $5,000 a month, your budget for housing should be around $1,500. Don't forget those sneaky extra costs. Think property taxes, insurance, and maintenance. They add up. Next, check your credit score. A high score can get you a lower mortgage rate, saving you big bucks in the long run. And remember, always get pre-approved for a mortgage before house hunting. It shows sellers you mean business. Lastly, build an emergency fund. Life happens, and you want to be prepared. Happy house hunting, and may your dream home be just around the corner. Ready to buy a home? Contact Gwen Harvey Home Smart, 770-584-1143 for more details.